looked at an old home that was not yet on the market. My husband, after touring it, and I knew that this was too big. This was too much. And so I knew it was going to be a no-go, but I just looked at it and pictured what I could do if I ever had the chance. And then my husband asked me, well, do you want it? Yeah, I want it. So we got it. And that's how we ended up with a double wide prefab trailer home up on a mountain, just under an acre lot, 2 bedrooms, about 1 3/4 bath. And nearly everything has had to be replaced, painted, fixed, torn out, replaced. Did I say replaced? A lot of things. Uh, it's been it's been fun. I have enjoyed every bit of it. It's been a lot of hard work, but boy, have I loved it. One problem with this video, and that is I'm not a professional, so a little bit rough sometimes. So let's see what we got, okay? I'm about as ready as I'm going to get. Okay, this is our new house. I don't know if you can see all of it. It's a hidden gem. It's covered for now. There's part of the view. And we want that gone, and that really nice satellite dish gone. Embankment, and there's some really pretty land up here that some horses are grazing on for now. Cutting the weeds down for us, but will be a nice picnic spot and fun game area. And that's how you get down off this little mountain area. And then back over here, and you see right in that area right there, I want to make a fire pit. Nice. This is fun anyway. And we got been tearing out the carpets, and it's a little messy for now. This is the entryway. We want to do a little something different in here. And this I want some kind of a nice entryway, but I don't kind of like that. And I kind of want this wall here, this whole wall gone, so you see into the family room, which is this way. So this brick doesn't all match, so we're gonna have to fix that. And somebody didn't finish the wall. Oh, you can't tell. Can you see it now? See, they didn't carry the brick down. So we're gonna have to do that, and then I wanna paint it all white. I don't know, we'll fix it. And this is the wall I want, where is it? This wall right here gone, so that we can see straight into all of this. And so it'll be the family room. We'll put a new stove over there. Can you see the stove? You can't. Little stove. Have to pile everything when you go work on another room. And that goes out to the patio, which I will show you in a bit. And then you come into the kitchen, which we're gonna put all new cupboards, pot lights, not this, whatever that, no. And gonna have to redo the stove, the cupboards, I think at least the window's nice. I mean, I want some wildflowers growing out there, so that'll be cool. Right over here, gonna take this out, and we're going to put a stove unit right here. So, and then we want to just turn this into a giant pantry here, and then you go through here into that kitchen living room area. So that's started to be opened up. So you got the table. It'll be a nice view. We're gonna put trees outside there on the other side of the road, so we don't see, there's kind of a different neighbor there. Anyway, it's really nice. We're lightening it up, getting rid of all this dark green stuff, taking down those walls, so it'll be all one big, nice living room. So we'll eat and then be able to play. And trying to rip this wall down so it goes in through the kitchen. And on the other side of the kitchen that you didn't see from here, we have the fridge, which we're still talking about because it still works. This will come down and have an island that's square. Whoops, can you see it? it's kind of rounded and weird, and there's a round wall there. That's all going to come down, so you'll be able to see through. This green wall will be gone through that. The fridge will be the only thing separating, and there'll have to be a post right here, because I think that needs to be held up still. Show you our back view. It's beautiful. You'll love it. Okay, so this will be gone, and there'll be beautiful trees there hiding the neighbor, but can you see how lovely this is? Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it, love it, love it. This originally was the front door, and there's actually broken steps going down here, and there's broken steps over here. I'll show you. So they're really rickety and scary. So nice hallway. You go into the master bedroom. And so this is the master. You can see it. It's there's the window to look out. Closets. All this paneling is going to go. We're going to paint that. Ugh. Can you see out there? Oh. Isn't that beautiful? I want some trees right there. Just small ones. I love those places. And that chalk paint, I think that'd look adorable. It's antique, so wallpaper, no, it's gotta go. And yeah, the flooring, those are actually pill and stick. And the bathroom, poor little thing. A lot of things will have to be replaced, but you know, we'll see. This is the master, so it's kind of scary. There's a crack in that tub, so it's gonna have to be replaced with something. I just don't know what there's room for, and I don't know why this big giant wall pillar thing is here, and I don't know why, but you know. You see that? Yep. And then on this other side of the wall is this really scary toilet on a pedestal here. I don't get that, but you know. And it's got this, which if I redo it, I think could be saved and be fine. It's good solid wood, and it's not cracking like the kitchen. The kitchen's been cracking, so that we don't like so much. Okay. And this is the, it's supposed to be on the light. This is another guest bedroom and closet, about the same as the master. Not as big of a bathroom, of course. What's the view? The view's out front, I believe. So not quite as good as the master. We could make it look better than it is, though. I think it could be a lot better. So here's the guest bath. And there's a door from the guest bathroom and the hall. So there's the kind of cheesy, oh yeah, it looks better with the light on, doesn't it? Yeah, it's broken, kind of. The wood, I thought it was okay and we would be able to save all these, but it's all splintering. So, and I don't do wooden toilet seats. Ew. So, the shower. It's bigger than the master shower, but it doesn't have a bathtub in the guest. So, that's it. And this is the entry again, which, I mean, it does have a lot of covered space, but I want it gone. I want it to be open here to the living room. So, yeah. Oh well, that's what I want. And girls get what they want, right? And that's the whole house. I think it is. So, I love it. It'll be great.